guys! Good morning! It's a rainy Monday and it's been a while since I last posted because this weekend was my grandson's first birthday, and I was like a bystander waiting to be invited. No, I'm just waiting for my daughter to video call me and then, uh, watch the event, the celebration through my cell phone. I was a bit sad because, looking through the lenses of my cell phone, not being there, not being present um, in that celebration. I wanted to be there, but I'm still grateful that I can watch, and they really keep me uh like I was still there, like I'm there in the celebration, and it was really great. It was a fun celebration for my grandson. And yes, and about me, my I just don't want to show you, but every time I wake up recently, there was just this small stain of blood in my nose. Like, I don't want to scare you, but I asked my doctor, and he said it's like the membrane is getting thin here in this area. So every time I, wipe my nose, there's a bit of blood there. And of course, the numbness in my hands and feet are getting like much how do you say it? It hurts a bit. But aside from that, I'm good. I'm okay. And I don't want you ladies to worry. And yes, I'm sharing this to you because I want you to be aware that it's not that scary going through a chemotherapy. All right, I'll see you ladies, and thank you so much always for watching, and I'm so grateful to all of you. Bye.